Whether you faced betrayal or caused it, it ended in pain, didn't it? If you were betrayed, you found yourself in a situation that you didn't deserve to be in. Feelings of depression often sets in. You may feel that you are at your lowest point. Your life's foundation, built on dreams and faith, now broken. Worth, trust, and the courage to be vulnerable, all broken. If you had the affair, you are now feeling the aftermath of guilt and shame. You weren't counting on getting caught, and not to mention all of the trauma that you've caused your family to endure. Either way, this experience will shape the way that you see yourself and your spouse. The emotional toll is overwhelming. However, infidelity doesn't have to define you. It's difficult to fathom that someone who's aware of the consequences of infidelity would even risk losing their families. It's no surprise that so many marriages are ending in divorce. Although all relationships undergo minor scratches which are easy to repair. Imagine your family being like a vase, a beautiful, delicate, rare vase. When an affair takes place, it's like the vase is thrown with force and shattered on the ground into so many pieces. It's like life has come to an end. Your situation feels hopeless. It feels irreparable, like wholeness is out of reach. As if your history will always carry scars and cracks, the fragments of you will never fit again. This is when so many couples call it quits. Healing means hope. It's putting the pieces back together, but this time as a team. In Western culture, broken things are often replaced. Healing from infidelity mirrors the Japanese art of kintsugi. In kintsugi, the artist doesn't hide the cracks in the vase. It sees and embraces the beauty within the broken. The cracks, which represent negative thoughts of divorce and shame, are filled with gold. The negativity is erased and becomes more valuable. The cracks are no longer shameful, and are now interwoven into the vase's history. When we use this approach to infidelity, it makes it so much easier to heal. The gold represents the necessary steps for changes. Healing takes more than reciting Bible verses. It takes vision, intention, and community. Couples who commit to a healing mindset and have a clear plan are the ones who find restoration. Don't hesitate to seek support. Don't carry this alone. At Champagne Ministries, we walk with you toward restoration. Our calling is to support you spiritually and emotionally. Visit us at champagneministries.com. You're not alone. God bless.